Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to call eBay customer service. Let's begin. Now log into your account using your credentials. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the create an account option here, wherein you can choose the type of account, be it personal, business, and all you're gonna do is provide your full legal name, email and password, and by clicking the create account button, you're all set. But to simplify the process, you might want to click on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with Apple. Now, there are a lot of reasons why anyone would want to call the eBay customer service. Say for example, in the past I encounter a problem with my order I've placed or received, and the missing items and are damaged. Or maybe you've encountered a delay on your delivery. Now, this is where eBay customer service can assist in resolving the issue very quickly. Now, for any account-related queries such as password resets, account suspension inquiries, or help with managing your account settings, of course, eBay customer service can provide guidance. And all you're gonna do once you are on your account, you might want to click on Help and Contact. Now, this is just one method, and all you're gonna do is type in call, and you have an option here to contact the eBay if you have an issue and I can't find the answer in the help articles. Get in touch with an eBay customer service. All right. Now, they also have an option for you to contact the a wireless service contracts policy, but of course, the only authorized resellers can list cell phone service contracts. Now, when you click on the contact eBay, you will be directed to the page, and as you can see, you can't find any numbers for you to contact or for you to dial. All you're gonna do is hover down below. We're in contacting a seller right here. As you can see, there's need more help and contact us section. Get the help you need from an automated assistant or contact an agent. Click on that. And again, there's another page wherein you need to choose the appropriate situations that you encounter, like maybe account. Click on that, and of course you choose anything just to get the number. You also have the option to chat with the automated assistant, but that's one way, because all you're gonna do is follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the second method is all you're gonna do is go to the Google search bar or any type of browsers, and of course type in contact eBay customer service. And it depends on your region, but mostly for US customer support, you will get these numbers. All right. Now for PH, this one. And for UK, there's also a different contact number. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.